Have you ever dreamed of a land where vast deserts meet pristine beaches, vibrant cities pulse with life, and unique wildlife roam freely in their natural habitats? Welcome to Australia, a country that offers a fascinating mix of natural wonders, rich culture, and adventure at every turn. Australia is famous for its Great Barrier Reef, the world's largest coral reef system, which stretches over 2,300 kilometers along the coast of Queensland. I'll never forget the first time I visited. As I sailed out to the reef, the water was so clear I could see the coral and marine life even before diving in. Snorkeling in this living ecosystem felt like being in another world, fish in every color of the rainbow, turtles gliding effortlessly, and the reef itself teeming with life. It's not just a snorkeling destination, it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. The experience left me in awe of how beautifully delicate and expansive the ecosystem is. But Australia is not just about its beaches or coral reefs. Heading inland, the outback is a completely different world, a vast, arid land that seems to stretch on forever, home to the iconic Uluru, Ayers Rock, a sacred site for the indigenous Anangu people. Standing in the shadow of Uluru, you can't help but feel the weight of history and spirituality in the air. It's a place of deep cultural significance, where the land itself tells stories passed down through generations. Watching the colors of Uluru change at sunrise or sunset is one of the most unforgettable experiences you can have. Australia's cities are just as captivating. Sydney, known for its iconic Opera House and Harbour Bridge, is a blend of urban sophistication and natural beauty. The city skyline is dominated by the Opera House's unique sail-like design, and the harbour itself is often dotted with sailboats, creating one of the most beautiful waterfront views in the world. Sydney's beaches, like Bondi Beach and Manly, offer both relaxation and adventure, with surfing being a major draw for both locals and visitors. The lifestyle in Sydney is laid back yet full of energy, with vibrant markets, cultural festivals, and a thriving food scene. Moving down the coast to Melbourne, you'll find a city known for its arts, coffee culture, and world-class events. Melbourne's laneways are filled with street art, boutique cafes, and hidden galleries. The city's multicultural vibe is reflected in its food, which ranges from Italian pasta to Chinese dumplings, all prepared with a modern Australian twist. Whether you're at the Melbourne International Comedy Festival or attending one of the city's many sporting events, Melbourne always offers something exciting. Then there's Tasmania, a place known for its wild landscapes, rugged mountains, and lush forests. It's a nature lover's paradise, and one of the best ways to experience Tasmania is through its hiking trails, such as the Overland Track, a 6-day trek through rainforests, alpine meadows, and along pristine lakes. In Tasmania, you're never far from wildlife. Wallabies, wombats, and even the elusive Tasmanian devil can be spotted in the wild. And of course, Australia's food scene is something not to be missed. From the iconic meat pies and Vegemite toast to the more modern Australian dishes that blend indigenous ingredients with European influences, there's something for every palate. Barbecues are a national pastime, with gatherings often including freshly grilled seafood like prawns and fish, paired with local wines from regions like the Barossa Valley or Hunter Valley. Australia is also known for its craft beer scene, and you'll find a wide variety of local brews in pubs across the country. Australia's wildlife is one of its most unique features. The country is home to animals that can't be found anywhere else on Earth, like kangaroos, koalas, and platypuses. While in Kangaroo Island, you can observe kangaroos and koalas in their natural habitats. In Australia Zoo, founded by the late Steve Irwin, you can get up close to crocodiles, snakes, and a wide range of exotic animals. Australia's unique wildlife, along with its stunning landscapes, makes it a true natural wonderland. The culture of Australia is a blend of indigenous traditions and influences from its colonial past. The Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander cultures are among the oldest living cultures in the world, with traditions dating back over 65,000 years. Many places, like Uluru and the Kakadu National Park, are steeped in deep cultural meaning for Australia's First Nations peoples. As you explore the country, you'll hear stories of Dreamtime, the Aboriginal mythology that explains the creation of the land, animals, and people. Australia's history is also shaped by its colonial past, with European settlers arriving in the late 18th century. The country has evolved into a modern, diverse society that celebrates its multicultural identity. Cities like Sydney and Melbourne are melting pots of cultures, with influences from all over the world shaping the country's architecture, food, and festivals. As diverse as its landscape, Australia offers something for every traveller. Whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, culture, or nature, you'll find it here in abundance. The welcoming spirit of the Australian people, combined with the country's incredible natural beauty, makes it one of the most unforgettable places to visit. So, if you're looking for a country where you can experience everything from the world's most famous reefs to some of the world's most iconic landmarks, vibrant cities, and untamed wilderness, Australia is waiting to show you its wonders. Whether you're exploring the Great Barrier Reef, discovering the beauty of Sydney Harbour, or hiking through the Tasmanian wilderness, your adventure in Australia will stay with you long after you've left.